Pika. Say hello. Hello. You pretty girl. Let me turn up the light here. There you go. It's a cloudy day and the drapes are still closed, so you really can't get a good look at her. Hi, Pika. What'd you see? Good girl. There she is. Hey, Peek. What you doing? Yeah, I'm following you around. When she's in my hands, you'll be able to see exactly how big she is. She's 28 grams. 30 grams is 1 ounce. So we're working on getting her beefed up. Although she's only, 11, 12 weeks old, something like that. She was hatched on December 31st.